Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. I hope you guys are doing well. So in this video we are gonna learn how to use Discord. It's for beginners, so please watch the video till the end to understand how to use. I'll be going in a series for this Discord tutorials, so please watch carefully guys. So let's get started. So this is the app, Discord app. This is a platform where you can speak to your friends and do video calls and screen share, and you can also chat here. It's completely free. You just need an internet connection, or if you have any mobile data, it should be good. You can screen share, and there's a new update that you can screen share in your phone also. That's really good. So in this video I'll be showing how you can join a server. So you can see the plus mark here. So if you just click on the plus mark, there it shows create a server and join a server. So you gonna click join a server. So there you go. So it's asking for an invite link. Invite link, sometimes you get it in the video descriptions, or you just in some other social platforms they just send the link to you, and you just click on it and it takes you to the website and it asks you accept invite. So you can do it like that also, or if you know the link you can just go typing it, and invite should look like this. These are the invite types you have to put here. So let me type the invite link of my server as I know. /discord.gg/PAHER9P. So this is my Discord server link. You can join. It's in the description. So my account is showing accept invite. So if I accept invite, I'm gonna join the server. So when you join the server, all servers have a welcome channel, or maybe big servers don't have welcome channel. So welcome channel is where you get welcomed by the bots. Bots I'll teach you in the upcoming videos. It's gonna be easy. And you get separate channels like this. In the gateway section you have owner info, self roles. Self roles is where you can assign yourself some roles. For example, it's given here, please select your gender. So if I want to select my gender male, okay, I selected the male gender. So down there's given some game roles. So I've already taken the game roles. You just click on those emojis which is given up here. If you're a Call of Duty player, you can just click on the Call of Duty emoji, so you can get your roles. It will be showing your profile. It's gonna look really good. And here are some rules. You can go to the rules section, and all the servers will be having their own rules, right? So you can go to their rules section and you can just read their rules there. Announcements is where you get the new updates of the Discord server, or if he's a YouTuber, he can just put announcements there what he's gonna do. And notifications, as usual you get YouTube notifications. That's easy. Gaming news, server boosts. Server boosts I'll be teaching you that in upcoming videos. And the main thing, the place where you chat. There's all servers have a place called chat or general chat, whatever. You can go there and just type hello or anything. You can just send it just like that. And see guys, as I've taken trusted members, I've got some roles because I'm there in the server from before. And you can share images with this image option. If you click on that, you can share images. And this gift option, if you press on this, you can gift Nitro also I'll be teaching you, don't worry. And if you click on the emoji button, you can share GIFs. And if you press on the emojis, you can use normal emojis too. If you are in my server, you can use my custom emojis. As you can see here, there's a YouTube one. Just put it, so it shows like that. It's pretty good. It's easy to understand if you concentrate more, and it's really nice. And you can have some fun with the bot. If you need any help regarding to that, there's a user called help and support. You can just message that and it will take care of everything. And that's it guys. And you can also join voice calls, as I told you. For example, there's a general voice made here. If I press join voice, I join the voice. Yeah. So this is how it's done. It's easy. If any queries about this video, please tell me in the description. I mean, just tell me in the comments, guys. So see you in the next video, and the like goal is 5 likes, and I'll be doing the second part of the tutorial video. So stay tuned, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't, and turn on the bell notifications for freshly brewed updates, guys. And hit the like button if you liked the video. So see you guys. Peace out. Bye.